Hi students, wonderful morning to all. How are you? I think you are all fine. Let's go through the class. Let's move to the class. What we have seen in the last class? Number system. What we have seen? Number system. What are the numbers we are studying in the last class? Decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. Decimal 0 to 9 numbers, so the base value is 10. Binary 0, 1, that's why that base value is 2. Octal 0 to 7 numbers, that base value is 8. Hexadecimal 0 to 9 and A to F letters, total 16, so that base value is 16. Don't forget, decimal base value is 10, binary base value is 2, octal base value is 8, hexadecimal base value is 16. Don't forget this. The number system and conversion, number conversion also, the base value is important. Next, number system conversion. First, decimal to binary conversion. Decimal to binary conversion. To convert decimal to binary, repeated division by 2 method can be used. Any decimal number divided by 2 will leave a remainder 0 or 1. Remainder enna kadaikum 0 or 1. That is the repeated division by 2 will leave a sequence of zeros and ones that become the binary equivalent of the decimal number. Binary equivalent of the decimal number. Next, suppose it required to convert the decimal number n is a decimal number into binary form. Dividing n by 2 in decimal system, we will obtain the quotient and remainder. Quotient is n1, remainder is r1. Where r1 can have a value of either 0 or 1. இது மட்டும்தான் வரும். Only we got either 0 or 1 in this decimal to binary system. The process is repeated until the quotient becomes 0 or 1. When the quotient is 0 or 1, it is the final remainder value. When we are getting the 0 or 1 is the quotient, it is the final remainder value. It is the final remainder value. Write the final answer starting from final remainder value obtained to the first remainder value obtained. This means last quotient remainder to first remainder. That is the value of binary. For examples, convert into its equivalent binary 65, 10. It is a decimal number. Why we are putting the subscription 10 abdi means it is identify the number system. 65 is the decimal number. 65 divided by 2. Divided by 2. 32 2s are 64. Remainder is 1. Adan 32 plus 1 போட்டிருக்காங்க இங்க. That value is 1. And 16. 16 2s are 32. 16. Remainder is 0. The remainder is 0. Remainder is 8 2s are 16. The remainder is 0. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 0. 2 2s are 4. Remainder is 0. Here 1 2 is 2. Remainder is 0. Until you get what? 1. Here you got 1. That's why stop the process. How to write this? Most significant bit to least significant. Decimal to binary conversion. Convert decimal number into equivalent binary number. It means decimal numbers using the method of repeated division by 2. Here binary base value is 2, so decimal numbers divided by 2. 65 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 0. Next digit 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 5 minus 4, 1. It is a quotient. It is the remainder. How to do this sum means, now we get quotient and remainder. Again, this quotient divided by 2. This quotient divided by 2 until you get the quotient is 1. Quotient is 1. 32. Its remainder is 1. Its remainder is 1. The remainder values are the binary equivalent. Binary equivalent to decimal. Binary equivalent to decimal. Next, 32 divided by 2. 16 2s are 32. 16 2s are 32. Remainder 0. 16 is a quotient. 16 is the quotient. What is the answer? 16. Remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Next, 16 divided by 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 minus 16, 0. What is the remainder? 0. Quotient is 8. 8. Remainder is 0. Next, 8. 8 is a dividend. 2 is a divider. Push. 8 is a dividend. 2 is a divider. 4 2s are 8. Remainder is 0. 4 is quotient. 4. 0 is the remainder. Next, 2. Now we get 2. 2 is divided by 2. 2 is divided by 2. So the 1 2 is 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Quotient, this is remainder. Here 0. After that 1, remainder is 0. 1, remainder is 0. Now stop the process, division process. Why stop the division process means we get another 1. We get the quotient is 1. So stop the process. How to write this number means bottom to top. It is the most significant bit. It is the most significant bit. It is the least significant bit. It is the least significant bit. $65 $10. Its binary equivalent is 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. It is the binary equivalent. It is the binary equivalent. Why put here 2? Why put here 10? It is the decimal number. It is the identification. It is the identification. It is the decimal number. Here 2. 2 means binary number. So it is a binary number. That's why we are putting the subscript number. It is subscript number. To identify the number system. To identify the number system. Next, decimal to octal conversion. Decimal numbers into octal number system. To convert decimal to octal, repeated division by 8 method can be used. The method is the same learned for decimal to binary, but in this method we have to divide the given number by 8. Already I told 8 means octal base value is 8, so decimal to octal conversion we have to divide it by 8. Divided by 8. Here given one number 65. 65 is converted into octal number. 65 converted into octal number. Here note one thing. In binary number systems, the quotient and division process until you get the 1 is the quotient means stop the division process. But here you get less than 8 means stop the division process, because in normal division dividend is greater than the divider. Dividend means 8. Dividend means 8. The divider also 8. Suppose dividend 7 means dividend is a smaller value, so divider is 8. It cannot do the division process. That's why stop the process. It is the perfect conversion. Now decimal to octal conversion. 65 number converted into octal number. Now the same as the decimal to binary. Here decimal to binary 2 to divide the decimal number. Here 8 to divide the decimal number. 8 to divide the decimal number. 65 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 is quotient. 65 minus 64, 1 is remainder. 1 is remainder. Here put 8 and 1 is the remainder. Here only get 8, not a below 8. So again do the division process. 1 8 is 8. 1 8 is 8. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 is a quotient or is a remainder. So 1 is a quotient or is a remainder. Hereafter we cannot divide the 1. So stop the division process. 1 0 1. How to write this? Bottom to top. 101 is the octal number. 65 decimal number equivalent octal number is 101. 101. Next, decimal to hexadecimal conversion. To convert decimal to hexadecimal, repeated division by 16 method can be used. The same method. The method is the same as we have learned to decimal to binary. But in this method, we have to divide the given number by 16. Why we are divide the given number by 16? 16 is the base value of hexadecimal number. Next, decimal numbers 0 to 9, 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is a normal counting number systems or a decimal number. In hexadecimal 0 to 9, 9 after A, B, C, D, E, F. 9 after A, B, C, D, E, F. Here 10 equivalent is A, 11 equivalent is B, 12 equivalent is C, 13 equivalent is D, 14 equivalent is E, 15 equivalent is F. We knowing the hexadecimal numbers because type conversion. Number conversion it is important. Now 31 into its equivalent hexadecimal. 31 is divided by the 16. 31 is divided by the 16. Decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. What is the number? Decimal to hexadecimal. What is the number? 31. It is the number 31. 31 is converted into hexadecimal. How to do this? Same repeated division by 16. Decimal number divided by 16. 31 divided by 16. How many 16s are 31? 116 because 2 16s are 32. So we put only 16. 31 minus 16 another 15. 15 is a remainder. 1 is a quotient. Here have the remainder is a biggest value because it has 16 numbers. It have hexadecimal number system have 16 numbers. That's why we get quotient and remainder also come below 16 or 0 to 15 numbers. When you get these numbers, stop the division process. Stop the division process. Quotient have 1. The 1 divided by 16 it is not possible. So stop the division process. It is the answer. It is the answer. 115. Hexadecimal number have 15? No. Only 0 to 9. 9 after 10. 10 is a denoted alphabet notation A. 11 is B. 12 is 13. 12 is C. 13 is D. 14 is E. 15 is F. Okay, are you understand? Now how to write this? 1 is as it is, you write 1. Here 15. 15 is equivalent to another F. So F. And base value 16. So 31 decimal equivalent hexadecimal is 1F. 1F. Are you understand? It's very easy. I have do another one sum 35. It converted to hexadecimal 35 another divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. Remainder is 3. So how to write this? 2 3. 35 decimal number equivalent hexadecimal is 2 3. 2 3 base sufficient by 16. Denoted the base values are denoted the number. Which number system is this? Which number is this? Here 2 3 3 5. 2 3 also comes with a decimal number. We denoted 16 means it is a hexadecimal number. Here 2 is came. Here 3. What I am said? Below 15 means stop the division process because 16 is the divider. Dividend is very lower than. எப்பொழுதுமே dividend is bigger than the divider. எப்பொழுதுமே dividend எப்படி இருக்கணும்? பெருசாக இருக்கணும். சின்னதாக இருந்தால் டிவைட் பண்ண முடியாது. It is not possible. 1 divided by 15 is possible? No. That's why stop the process. And it is the correct process. Assignments are given. Convert the following decimal numbers to its equivalent binary octal hexadecimal. Binary means these numbers 92, 255, 126 are divided by 2. Octal means these numbers are divided by 8. Hexadecimal means these numbers are divided by 16. Make them clear your doubts by practice the sum. Thank you, students. We will meet the next class.